Hi there. Welcome to our channel. You can find many types of repairs for iPhone and iPad models. There is no unnecessary talking in the videos, just the essentials. So grab your tools and let's get started on repairing your device together. Don't miss out. New video every day. We recommend setting the temperature to 320 Celsius on the hot air gun. Don't let a little mistake cost you big. Watch out for the flex cable when you're making repairs. One wrong move and the flex cable could break, so be sure to handle it with care during repairs. Always use the right screwdriver. When it comes to iPhone and iPad repair, details matter. Make sure you don't mix up the screws. Use plastic tools when handling the battery. A quick reminder, never throw away your used batteries in the trash, always dispose of them properly at a designated collection point. Make sure you don't mix up the screws. Want to know how we get the job done? Check out the video description for a list of all the tools and equipment we use. We love hearing from our viewers, so don't forget to leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. And if you need any help with fixing your iPhone or iPad, just ask in the comments, we're always happy to help. Subscribe now for daily tips, tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy repairing!